Hey guys, this is a video tutorial on how to open up your Xbox 360. Now, the first thing you want to do is remove the hard drive. You can do that just by hitting the button right there, and it'll come right off. Then, you want to remove your wireless card. Next step is you want to remove your faceplate. Now the way you remove that is just by prying it off, just like that. Now you do want to tear off the warranty sticker, because this will void your warranty. So you can lift up that clip there, and that clip there. But now, need some kind of metal pointy object that, as you can see right there, there's two holes that you kind of have to poke around in them until you hear a clip. Well, they're somewhere around these holes, or if you don't really care, you can just pry off the part just by prying up here. This can be a pain to get off. Okay, I mistaken myself, and actually all the screws that are around the side, including that one and that one, are all Torx 10. The only ones that are Torx 8 are these 8 that hold in the heat sinks. So, you can now flip over the Xbox, and in the DVD drive, you pull out the eject button, and the top of your Xbox will come off. Now, you take out the DVD drive carefully. Oh, I guess there's a piece of grounding tape right there you'll have to remove. Alright, now it should come out. And you remove your power and your SATA cable. Now you just work off the plastic cover of the heat sinks. Now you just lift up the metal tab here. Sometimes you need to use a screwdriver to do this, or one of the screws that you've taken out. Just stick it in between the two fans. Lift up. This Xbox is being a little picky. I guess I'll just leave the fans in for now, so I'll just unplug those. Flip over the Xbox. And with my Torx screwdriver set, well, with my regular screwdriver set, I'll take out a Torx 8. No, that's a Torx 7. Torx 8, and unscrew these 8 screws. Once you got those 8 screws out, then want to take off the little plastic piece. And there will be a screw there, and a screw there that you want to undo. Then this comes off, and you want to pull on the heat sinks of your Xbox to pull it out. You want to pull out the front first, then this lifts out. You want to carefully put the Xbox motherboard wherever. And that's how you take apart your Xbox. Thanks for watching.